Hello everybody, it's theeere. Welcome back on this channel. If you're new here, well, my name is Luca. It's very nice to have you here. Sorry. And today's video is gonna be what I eat in a day. I know I haven't posted in a super long time, but I think I'm officially back. I don't want to speak too soon, but I'm very excited to film this video because it's something I have had in mind for like months, but I didn't have the time to film it. So I'm currently in a vacation house with my family and Abby and Julia, who are my two um, American friends from the exchange year. And we are in Umbria, a region in the central part of Italy. So food is very good here. I always try to eat as plant-based as possible. It's not always possible, but I don't know. I do my best. And especially like when I'm at home, it's way easier because we have a lot of options and we can go grocery shopping, and they mostly have vegetarian and vegan options as well. So it is very beautiful here and I really like it. So I want to bring you guys with me. I don't really know what we're gonna do today, so I'm just gonna wing it and see how it goes. Because we might go to the lake later in the afternoon. It's currently 10 a.m. I kind of just woke up. I think everybody else is still sleeping. Sorry if the camera is a little shaky and the quality is not the best, but my internal camera just broke because we were in Florence and my phone fell, so it kind of broke, and since then it's not working anymore, like the selfie camera. So I'm now using the external camera, which should be a little higher in quality, but I can't really like tell what you guys see, so I'm just like vibing it out. And so I usually start my day with a pretty nutritious breakfast. I like to have bread with peanut butter and jam. We eat a lot of jam in my family and I love it. And I don't know, there's usually coffee with soy milk or like other plant-based milks. So I'm gonna go down and see what's available. So I use these two very thick slices of multi-grain bread, and I'm gonna toast them in this little oven for like 5 minutes or so, and I hope it works. Okay. And then this is the soy milk I use. It's just a random line that they've started a couple of years ago in Italian supermarkets. It's pretty good quality. It's Italian soy, and I like to mix it with coffee, so we're gonna do that. In the summertime, I usually put like ice cubes in coffee because it's so good, but we don't have them here. We don't have like ice trays, so I'm not gonna do that. I could also maybe eat a peach as well. I'm gonna put some peanut butter and blueberry jam on the bread, and that's it. Peanut butter. A very cool thing I wanted to show you is this garden that the house owner has, because it's very pretty and very improv style because it's all made out of recycled pots and stuff, but it's very rich. Like, she has planted a lot of different stuff. Like, there's these beautiful eggplants, tomatoes over here. Hope you can hear me because the cicadas are very loud. There's like this super big rosemary bush in the back, and then she's planted all these tiny little pots. It's very cool. Oh, there's a zucchini here. I love it. I love how improv it is. Oh, there's a eucalyptus plant over here. Flowers. Some more tomatoes. And then over here, she put these, oh gosh, how do you say it? Oh, strawberries in these vertical bags hanging. And then there's some more like bags. Yeah, it's very wild looking. It's another huge rosemary bush, watermelon and cucumber and melons, and they're looking very cute. See, hope you can see. There's a watermelon. There's another one over here. And she's so kind. She also gave us a little bit of the produce a couple of days ago. Like, look at these tomatoes. They're so pretty. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're making lunch and we're making zucchini and carrots with either lentil pasta and tempeh. So this is the tempeh we're using, and this is the lentil pasta. And so yeah, we're gonna put the water to the boil and then cut the zucchini and carrots in small pieces, grill them, and then add tempeh also in cubes, and then mix everything together. That's it. I ended up actually choosing this, which is a 5 cereal grain stuffed thing with red rice. To be honest, I prefer seitan and tofu to tempeh. Tempeh tends to be a little bitter, but I guess it's more convenient for these types of dishes, like rice and stuff.
You want this knife?
Yes, it goes a little stronger.
We got out a big knife.
We should also make some onion as well.
Oh, yes.
I'll do that one
Okay.
on this plate.
Are you willing to cry?
What type of onion is it?
White onion. Some oil. Oh, what song is that? I'm also adding some thyme.
Pronto.
It's supposed to be
Down. Yeah. Otherwise the feta is gonna melt straight away. This is the final result. There's also feta, normal one, and the plant-based one, which is coconut based. And that's it. So it's 5 p.m. and I was kind of like craving a little snack, so I decided to eat a piece of watermelon, and then I found these two in the fridge. So I'm gonna put some almond paste on top of these breads, and like crackers, and then this jam thing. I always get a little hungry around 5, so yeah, I always need some sort of fruit or something to reach the dinner. And this watermelon tastes so good. And I've just discovered this is a homemade apricot and apple jam my mom made. It is very good. Okay, so it's around 8 p.m. and we're about to have dinner. We made pea pasta, so it's a very protein-rich pasta, and we made it with tomato sauce and some fresh peas, just steamed on the pan. I didn't actually cook it. My family did it. I'm probably not gonna be able to show you because we're gonna eat it together. So I'm gonna show you the pasta though, because it's very interesting and I really like that brand. So this is it. This is the pea pasta I was talking about, and it is very good. It tastes so good.
You want some?
Sure. Thank you. Hello guys, so obviously I forgot to end the video last night, so it's the next day's morning. It's about 9 a.m. and yeah, I just wanted to like let you know that if you like this video, and if you want to see more similar content, you can subscribe to this channel and comment down below. But actually, since we're already here, I'd like to show you what I'm having for breakfast, because my mom made a banana bread and I love it. So we're gonna try it together with some coffee and milk real quick. And then I swear it's done. Look at this cute little loaf. I mean, it's not that small, but it looks so good. And I think I'm gonna put some peanut butter on it and jam. So that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye.